What's up, guys? Today we're building the worst team in the NFL, the Houston Texans. Let's see what we can do with them. We're starting my career right now. How do you guys think this is gonna go? I think I'll have a shot with the Texans. Maybe get like Tom Brady or Pat Mahomes or something. Oh, I know what to do. Maybe if I get like David Mills and get Tom Brady and try to get Patrick Mahomes or something, or get Baker or something. I don't know. Calendar. I'm not gonna really do preseason because they're probably gonna be like 0-4 or something, or 1-3. I don't know. I'll show you guys a preseason. What happened? We're not gonna be good. Put in the contract before this happened. What do you think should happen before it starts simulating? Hurry up. First, let's get to the game. Just put in the comments what do you think's gonna happen. I think it go 0-4, 1-3, 2-2, 3-1, 4-0. Put in the comments now. All right, 4-0's done. 3-0 still in. Nope. 2-2 is still good. Can they get 2-2? Or are they gonna go 1-3? Alright, if you guys pick 1-3, you guys are right. Now I'm gonna set the timer. Let me set the regular season first. They lost 30-0 against Jacksonville. At least you didn't take last. At least you took 30th instead of last. Well, I mean, we lost by 3 against Tennessee. We got smoked in the other games, though. We beat in last year's 2013. Alright, I'm gonna try the timer quick. Alright, just try the timer. Let's get to the trades. Houston. Quarterback. David Mills. Baker Mayfield is a 79. Maybe I can get him with. I'm gonna try a 4th round pick. 4th round pick? No. Alright. Next best thing is a 3rd round pick. And will they accept that? Yes, they will. Ooh, I can try to get what's his face? Tom Brady or Tom Bray or whatever it is in this game. Round one. Will you accept that? No, you won't. I give you guys another round. What's I give you round 2 pick? Dang it. Round 3 pick. Dang it. Replace that with a round 2 pick. Alright, well, how we just replace both of these with a round 1 pick? we got enough, right? Yeah, okay. Alright, now let's get a running back. Oh, first we're gonna try. No, not yet. Okay, so we got him, and the next thing we're gonna do, let's try to get Ja'Marr Chase. And we will get him, okay. Who does Cleveland have? Brown. Oh, silver Brown pick. Take that. It was accepted, and next time we're gonna go to Kansas City. Oh, we can get Devontae. Let's try to get Devontae. $96 overall. Nah, we're not gonna get that. Kansas City. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get him for Tom Brady. Try to see if they accept that. And they won't, so let's go to free agency. 3 free agencies. Let's get you for back. We need we'll try to get a cornerback. Go 3 million right there. Running back. And let's get you. There we go. And then we'll go to office. Then we'll sim to the trade deadline. I'll see you guys when we get there. Oh, so we got 2 out of the 3, so that's pretty good. See you guys when we get there. Alright, in update, guys, we are 1-3. Okay. Now we're 2-3. If we give them Tom Brady, Ja'Marr Chase, and now look at the record. Now we're going to the trade deadline. 2-7. 2-7. I give them Ja'Marr Chase. Oh my gosh. And I give him Tom Brady. Come on. We need a better. Wide receiver. Oh, this is good. Except, I guess. And then cancel, and then we got another wide receiver. Nah, and then who's this guy? Fine trade. Except, I guess. $80 safety, and sure, why not? And that's enough of the trade deadline. Let's see how we gonna do. Okay, so let's go to calendar. And then we'll sim to right here. Let's see how we do. Alright, so let's see. 7-10. Alright, let's see if we made the playoffs. Come on. Nope, we did not. So 7-10. Better than I thought Houston would do. I'll see you guys in the next rebuild. Peace.